Hello, this is Webkinz at the Great Wolf Lodge. With me, Pinkiepie, the host. Today's my birthday, and we're at the Great Wolf Lodge. It's really fun, because we got the super awesome room. If you want proof that we're at the Great Wolf Lodge, it's right here. Great Wolf Lodge. Okay. Now, my friends want to show you my really awesome room. And so, the first place we're going to go is Squiggles with the bathroom. Don't ask me why. Okay? Awesome. Squiggles?
Help!
What? Squiggles?
What?
Are you okay?
No!
Okay, I'm a little concerned.
Constipated.
You're,
Call 911.
You're constipated?
Yeah!
Okay, then what? Can I come in now?
I think so. Just don't look at my bum.
Okay.
Okay. My eyes are all puffy because... Oh, never mind. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting on a toilet. Kind of a white, round, ovally thing, bowl. Yeah. There's water in there with all my poo-poo. This, I shall demonstrate it while doing it. This is called toilet paper. You shall go like this.
Impressive.
Is it good? Now, watch as I work. Oh, where's the end? Work. Now, do you want to do the honors, Pinkiepie?
I would be so honored.
This is called the pressure. You
Wow.
push it and push it.
Okay.
Look at me. Wow.
That is amazing.
That's good.
That's amazing.
And now I would like to show you the best tube. Squiggle over here. Squiggle over there. And these right here are called towels. You use them to wipe off when you get wet, like so. I shall turn this on. Ah! Oh shit! Oopsie! Oh, I'm rich. This is called the worm. Wait, I'm a caterpillar. It's called caterpillar now. I own this. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to Frosty and Cookie to explain the fireplace. Peace.
Okay. Well.
Is it bent?
I could. No.
Oh, okay. Well,
Cookie.
Okay. So, this is a fireplace. It's fake wood and
Whoa.
fake flame. I like cookies. That's why I named Cookie.
That's probably.
Now, up here is the dial. Look at here. Now, right here you can turn it. I like the noise. And it adjusts how long it goes for. Okay, so zoom in on it again. I don't say much. Ah! I'm melting. That's your pee.
I'm melting. No. Go ahead and try to see me die. Go away.
See, that's yellow and it's all your pee. No. Oh, okay, it is.
You peed?
I'm just a little boy or girl. I'm not sure which. Let me check.
Okay,
I'm a girl.
Okay, let's go open presents.